We are dishing on movies.
Welcome to a spooky episode of Dishing on Movies.
That's so lame. That's so lame.
We, this week, are going to focus on Hocus Pocus.
Ooh.
Say that 3 times fast.
Focus on Hocus Pocus, focus on Hocus Pocus, focus on Hocus Pocus.
So Disney's Hocus Pocus came out in 1993, and we decided what better way to represent Halloween than that cult classic.
It's Halloween Eve, and they're back.
We're home.
With some stone fruit salsa.
Yeah.
Bette Midler's character.
Hello.
Her character turns to stone at the end, so we figure this is a great thing to bring to any Halloween party. It'll keep it healthy,
Yeah.
be on theme, and be delicious.
I mean, everyone probably thought we were gonna make spiders.
Therefore, it stands to reason, does it not, sisters dear?
However, I don't know if I would eat that.
I had crickets once.
I've had crickets before.
Did you
but
like it?
spiders, I mean, it's more just the fear of getting over what you're eating. Than
Exactly, yeah.
Because people cook with cricket flour all the time now.
Yeah, it's popping up everywhere.
Yeah. I've definitely had bugs before, like the candy bugs.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Not my favorite, but...
No.
So that's why we're not making it.
One time I accidentally drank a fly.
I don't think that counts. That's just lemonade in the summer.
Yeah, it scarred me for life. I was like 5.
When I was 5, I swallowed a bee.
What?
It was in my milk.
Did it sting your inside?
It stung my tongue.
Oh no!
Yeah.
That's the worst.
Scarred me for life as well, and I'm
Literally.
still afraid of bees.
Oh no.
But we don't have to be like that today.
No, definitely not.
How bad can it be?
Yeah. Making the tortilla chips for the salsa. You can buy also like cinnamon pita chips. I've seen those.
Oh yeah.
So we're just going to go with like a sweeter vibe, but I love making anything fresh ourselves if we can.
If you can.
So I'm going to do it 2 at a time. We're just going to cut these into quarters. Line them up.
Or 6.
Oh yeah, you think?
6.
6, okay.
Not 8s. 8s would be too small. 6. And then you go straight down the middle.
Oh, like a pizza.
Yes, just like a pizza.
Look at that! Ta-da!
Don't do that with the
Like
knife.
that. You want this to be spooky or not?
Prepare to die again. You have no powers here, you fool.
When did you actually see Hocus Pocus?
I don't remember the first time I saw Hocus Pocus, but I definitely watched it at least 10 times.
Really?
Yeah.
I just saw it for the first time the other day. I really like it. It still holds up, I will say.
It definitely still holds up. There are some really funny moments. Like the kid in the movie who lights the candle is made fun of for being a virgin, and that's why he's like trying to be the cool kid and fit in at a new school, just from Los Angeles.
They tease him so much.
Oh my gosh, I would too, but it's like, he's only, what, 16?
Yeah, it's not that uncommon.
Man, okay.
Gosh, back off everybody.
Brave little virgin who lit the candle. I'll be thy friend.
We're just gonna take a little bit of cinnamon,
Cool.
sprinkle it on each one, regular sea salt, and we're just gonna crack some of that. Salty sweet is always the way to go in my opinion. That sounds like you when you walk around in that dress.
What?
Your bones rattling.
Oh, wait, do it again.
See?
Movie magic!
Movie magic!
It's just a bunch of hocus pocus!
Alright, so we're gonna put these on the pan. It's been pre-sprayed.
Yep.
And then pop it in the oven.
Cool.
So, stone fruit. All that really means, so you know, is that if it has this on the inside.
Oh, a pit.
A pit. A mango, a peach, a plum, all those guys, they've got it. So we basically got our favorite assortment here.
Okay.
And I wanted to just show you guys can dice this any way that you want to, really. There's no real, I was asking you earlier, like I like it to be more.
Chunky or smooth?
Yeah.
I like a chunky salsa.
I'm also that way with peanut butter.
Oh, chunky. Yeah.
You like chunky?
I agree.
Yeah, good. We can still be friends.
There are 2 kinds of people in the world. People that like chunky peanut butter and people that are wrong.
Witches!
Yes?
How do you tell whether a mango's ripe or not? Because that's something that I would never know.
Almost all these fruits are similar, so you want to push that
Yeah?
and just see it's
Oh,
a
yeah.
slight give.
Yeah.
More give than that, it's already getting too, at least for what we're doing,
Yeah.
it's too ripe.
So it's kind of like an avocado, is you want it to have a little
Yes.
bit of squish, but not like a lot of squish.
Probably less squish
Less
than an
squish
avocado.
than an avocado.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Cool.
So you kind of feel in there, and you kind of have to guess a little. This one, the pit is probably running lengthwise.
Okay.
So you find a cheek here. So on this one, I would cut it here.
Yeah.
And you would just slice off the cheek. I've done it on the other mango already. And keep it in the skin. That's important.
Yeah.
And you're just gonna go in there and cut as deep as the skin. Don't cut through the skin. And you'll just go in and slice, and you'll do it like a crisscross mango sauce, as they say. And you can see where it all comes apart. And so,
it's so pretty.
Yeah, and it's basically done for you. And then you just slide your thumb against the skin, and it'll pop right out.
You stay for supper. I'm not hungry. Oh, but we are.
So we've got our mango, we've got our black or red plum, we've got peaches, white and yellow.
Peaches.
Millions of peaches.
Peaches and cream.
So we're just gonna take all these fruits, combine them in here.
My problem with basil is I always get it and I use it for something, and then 2 days later it's bad. So it's like you have to use it for that recipe, and if you don't, but this is a great solution.
But this is, yeah, so this one will just keep on growing. This is your housewarming. So
aww, thank you.
make sure to water the plant.
I will when I'm in town.
It was nice knowing you.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna take some sprigs and we're just gonna finely chop it.
So you're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of honey.
Teaspoon of cinnamon, or to taste. Ooh, that looks
That's
good.
a whole big teaspoon.
Then a little bit of cayenne, and this again,
Ooh.
I love a
love it.
sweet spice mix.
Yeah. How do you feel about life? A little bit sweet, a little bit spicy.
Yeah, it's gonna be that way anyway, you might as well used to it. And then last ingredient that we need is just some lemon juice. Then we're just gonna mix this all together while we wait for our chips to finish making.
It smells and looks delicious.
Right?
So next episode we will do Mixing 101, where I teach Dale how not to get all of the food that you're creating all over the table.
Sorry.
I was gonna eat that.
Oh, I saved it for you in the trash.
Oh, perfect.
We got the chips out of the oven. We baked them for about 20 minutes at 350 degrees. Maybe a little less, 15 to 20.
Yeah.
Keep an eye on it. If we got a nice color on them, you don't want them much darker than this.
No, definitely not.
Got snacks, we've got some punch that I do not recommend drinking.
No, unless you want to die.
Maybe you do. It is Halloween season. Kathy.
I'm very happy.
Me too. This is actually pretty good. And like I said, pretty healthy. So you guys try it at home. Let us know what you think. Also, let us know what your favorite Halloween film is.
We are dishing on movies.
We shall be back.